Hey guys, so I'm about to prank Jessie, alright? I've been planning this prank for some time and I decided that I'm gonna do it tonight. Tonight's the perfect night for it. So pretty much the prank is, I just got out the shower. I took a picture. It's a sexy picture. So I'm gonna send it to him and make it look like it was by accident, along with some other text messages to make it seem like I'm texting somebody else. Right now, he in the living room. I don't got a lot of time to set up. I gotta hurry up before he probably just like walk in the room or something, because like I said, he just in the living room chilling, waiting for me to get done with the shower and stuff. So let's just jump right into it, guys. All right, let me just set this camera up. Oh shit, I hope you don't see it. Freak. I need, hold on. Cause I can't afford him seeing this shit. Can y'all see me? Okay. So, alright, so I'm about to text him right now. Alright guys, so I sent the text message and I sent the photo. So let's see how this goes.
What you doing?
Nothing.
Let me see your phone.
For what?
Let me see your phone.
I'm using it.
Let me see your phone.
Babe, I'm using my phone. What you need it for?
Let me see your phone.
I'm using it.
Give me your phone.
Babe, can I just, hold on.
You good? I was just screwing on my shit.
Let me see your phone.
Babe.
Give me your phone.
Give
me your phone.
Babe, just let me. Why?
Babe, give me your phone.
Just let me just do something real quick.
Babe, I'll bet you. Give me your
Babe,
phone.
please, you can't be doing that.
Give me your phone.
Babe, just.
Give me your phone.
Please, let me just do
Babe,
something real quick.
Stop playing with me. Give me your phone.
Babe, I was just.
Who you texting?
Nobody. Babe, I wasn't texting nobody.
Stop playing with me, alright?
I wasn't texting nobody, babe. Come on, why you acting like this? I didn't, just let me, okay.
Back up. Stop playing with
Babe,
me,
I
alright?
wasn't. I wasn't texting nobody. I promise.
I know you ain't texting me.
I didn't text you.
Yeah, you did text me.
No, I didn't. Babe, I'm just let me see it real quick. Please, babe, please. Please, babe. Let me explain what can I just explain? Can I just explain? Babe, can I just explain?
Where you delete the messages at? I didn't
delete nothing. I didn't delete nothing. Let me just explain.
Who are you trying to text? Because I know you weren't trying to text me.
Babe, just let me explain, please. Just sit down.
Alright.
Babe.
Who you trying to text?
I wasn't texting anybody.
Who you trying to text?
I wasn't texting anybody. Just let me talk to you. Sit down for a minute.
Who you trying to text?
You grabbing my hand too tight.
Who was you trying to text?
I was just trying to text you, babe. I was just trying to text you.
You weren't trying to text me, shit. How you gonna sit here and say you trying to beat that up tonight? To me.
Babe. I would.
Or what is it, tomorrow?
So, but we live to you could do that tomorrow though.
Who are you taking pictures for?
You.
How do I take a picture for me and I'm right here?
I was just trying to be.
No, that wasn't for me.
It was, babe.
You're coming over to beat this picture up tomorrow.
I was trying to be, you know, what they call it, spontaneous. Babe, I promise. Just listen. Just listen. Let me just explain. Let me explain. Can I explain?
What you gotta say?
I was taking pictures, but it was for you. It wasn't for nobody else. I wouldn't do that to you.
Yeah, okay. Alright, I'm taking your phone.
No, you can't take my phone. How you gonna take my phone? I'm grown.
I'm taking your phone.
What you gonna do with my phone?
I'm gonna use your phone. You can use mine.
I don't want to use your phone.
I'm gonna use my phone.
Babe. What I'm gonna use your phone to do?
Use that phone. I'm gonna use yours for the rest of the night.
Babe, you can't do that.
Yeah, I can.
No, you can't.
Babe,
let me get my phone.
Move.
And you grabbing me hard.
Alright, so.
Let me.
No, just in case you on some BS, you shouldn't
I'm
have
not
no problem
on no
using your
BS.
phone.
I'm not on no BS.
You shouldn't have no problem using your phone.
Babe, just let me get my phone.
No.
Give me my phone. Why you want to use my phone?
Oh, hell no.
And you grabbing me too hard.
Use that phone.
I don't want to. This
You
your
shouldn't be on no
phone.
BS.
Here.
No.
I don't want this.
No, move.
Give me my phone, Jessie.
Babe,
I want it.
chill out.
Okay,
Chill
fine.
out.
Fine. It's a prank. It's a prank. It's a prank. You mad?
Show me.
It's a prank.
Show me.
It's a prank, babe.
That's a good hiding spot. I'm gonna use that.
You didn't see it, huh? It's a prank.
That's a good hiding spot. You childish. That's real childish.
What's childish about that? You gonna take my phone and talk about so you finna use it for the rest of the night. Nigga, what? No. You got pranked. He thought I was finna give away the cookie, y'all.
I'm thinking I'm abusive.
I mean, shoot. It's some good cooking. Y'all, he thought I was finna get a cookie away. Look at him. Look at him.
Yeah, okay.
You mad? Oh, shh. You vex. You vex, Bibbs.
No, I'm not mad.
Oh,
it's a prank. That's why it better be a prank. That's what it better be. It better be a prank.
It is a prank. Can't you see?
I see. Okay.
I got you. Got him.
You ain't get me.
I did get you. Got him. I even got clothes up under here. You tripping. I got clothes on. Undo this. Because I don't know why it's tied up like that. I got on a whole outfit up under here, y'all. I got on some shorts and a tank top. Got clothes on. You salty. Oh my god.
She know better. She already know better.
Whatever. I know better. I got your ass. What was you thinking when you sent that text message?
Oh no.
You don't know.
Coming in to find out.
What you think though? Like this, she must got me messed up sending me no text like this. That's what you thought?
I don't know.
You don't know.
Come in here and see what you was doing.
Alright guys, y'all seen how he reacted. I know I got him because he was mad. Because he thought I was giving away the cookie. Okay. Come on, babe. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.
And you will have good luck for the rest of the year.
Alright, y'all. Till next time.